guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I am Isay Dale, and I upload my travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials or anything about makeup hauls every Thursdays. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So for today's video, I'm gonna show to you guys my Colourpop Eyeshadow Hauls. I've been eyeing a lot of eyeshadow in the Colourpop website, and finally I splurged myself just for today, and I've got 7 eyeshadow palettes, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. First off, the one that I'm wearing right now is from the Colourpop Orange You Glad palette. This is a 9 shadow palette. It comes with a mirror, and this is the shade. I'm gonna link up below the tutorial that I did using this palette, and if you want to see more videos about tutorials and makeup looks using this palette, please comment down below and just comment down below any request for more eyeshadow looks using this palette and the rest of the palettes that I'm gonna show you today. So this is a 9 shadow palette, very nice. So if you like an orangey kind of vibe, this is the best eyeshadow palette, very affordable at the Colourpop website. I'm gonna link down below their website, and you can shop all the Colourpop eyeshadows that you like. They have lots of products and very affordable and very nice quality. So this is the eyeshadow one. So I'm gonna swatch this one for you guys, just to show you how pigmented this shadow is. There. See how nice it is? Very nice for the lid. So I'm liking this palette, very affordable, very blendable too as well. And I've been reaching out for this palette for quite some time now, because this is very nice, especially during when you travel, and very nice for to create a summer kind of look, especially now this summer. And the next top is the Lilac Alot. It's Lilac Alot. This is the shade. It's more on a purple side. It is also a 9 shadow palette. It comes with a mirror, and this is the 9 shadow palette. The bad thing is this one, it broke because I brought this during our camping, and I noticed it fell a couple of times, and when I checked just today, this one just crashed, but I fixed it and it's good. So just be careful with this. And let me show you the swatch. Let's swatch the Eevee shadow. One, hey, you want another one? Let's do another one. Nice. So there are mattes and shimmers. In this palette. And yeah, if you're reaching for a more purple kind of or lilac kind of look, this is definitely the best palette that you can reach for. And with this different shades, you can create lots of purple kind of look, purple kind of vibe. So very nice pigmentation, very affordable, and yeah, blendable and very pigmented. So I'm gonna also make a look using this palette as well. So at the back, it has a name, the names of the shadow, and this also comes with the one that's Eevee, Zoned Out and Filtered and Ghostin. This one, just be careful with this one, they say, because I don't know, it says it's be careful with the eyelids or in the eye part, but yeah, there are very nice pigmentation also. So this is it. You have the pinks here for the transition, this one for the inner V, and yeah, so shimmers. Very nice palette, and I recommend this too also. The next top that I am gonna show you guys is, I know I'm quite so late with the bandwagon with this one, but this is the next top that I have ordered from the website is the Oh Honey Colourpop palette. It is the shades of yellow. This is the packaging, and it has the names of the eyeshadows, and it comes also with a mirror and a 9-pan palette. This one is a pressed glitter, so just be careful with when you use this one in your eyelids. And yeah, if you go on yellow kind of vibe, a honey kind of looks, this is what you're gonna reach for. So I'm gonna swatch some of the shades. It is very soft when you touch it. So this is the shade Sweet Spot. See how pigmented it is? I'm gonna also swatch this one. This is from the shade, is this Dandy? There. So I'm gonna also make a video with the swatches and review and tutorial with this palette, and I'm gonna do an in-depth swatches with this palette. This is very nice palette, and I'm very excited to use this one. Let me swatch another one. It says the name of the eyeshadow is Queen Bee. So this is the shade. See how pigmented and very soft. See? Nice. Very nice in the eyelids. So this is the Oh Honey eyeshadow palette. I like when you have the 9 shadow palette because you won't have a hard time creating a certain look that you like. And yeah, with this palette, even it's a 9-pan palette, you can create lots and lots of eye looks using this palette. The next, the fourth one that I purchased was Miss Bliss Colourpop. It's also a 9 shadow palette. This is how it looks like. This is the packaging. It has a name inside, outside at the back, the name of the shadows, and comes with a large mirror. And this is the packaging. I like the glitter print, and it has also the names of the shadows in it. So I'm gonna swatch this one for you guys. This is the Chakra to Me. Yeah, wow, loving it. So very soft and pigmented. Another one. Let's swatch this one. Yeah. You can create a pink peach color using this eyeshadow palette. Very nice and pigmented. And just be careful with this one. It's a pressed glitter too as well, so just be careful when you put it on your eyelids. The glitters are quite might fall on your eyeballs or whatever, so just be careful when you use this one, but very pigmented. I'm gonna swatch this for you. Ooh, see? There's a little bit kick off on the pan, but when you apply it in your eyeshadow, there's no fall off, so it's good. Very nice quality, very nice colors. I'm gonna also make a video using this palette as well. And the next step would be the Oh La La Colourpop palette. This is how it looks like, nice and pink, and it comes with a mirror, and this is the shadows. If you have like this kind of vibe pinky shade, this is what you have to reach for. It's all in one palette, and you can create this beautiful look. So let me swatch this hot pink. It's opulent. Wow, soft and blendable and very pigmented. Another one I'll swatch for you is this Trove. So it comes with the matte and the shimmer. Nice one. Let me do another. There. See how pigmented? And the colors are very perfect. I love it. I love the shades, the color story of this eyeshadow palette. So if you're just gonna wanna reach this kind of color, just reach for this one. The next top, because it was on sale also in the Colourpop, is the Bye Bye Birdie Colourpop palette. This is the packaging, very nice. Looks like a peacock feather, and the name here is nice, and there's the eyeshadow names at the back, and it doesn't come with a mirror, but this is the shades. This is a 12 eyeshadow palette. Very nice pigmentation. It comes also with shimmers and mattes. And yeah, let me swatch this one for you. Very soft and pigmented too. See? Nice ones. Looks like similar, but this one is darker. Another one. This is shimmery one. And there's some pressed glitters also with this palette. This one is a pressed glitter. And let's watch this one, I guess. Nice one. This is so nice. The eyelids. Yeah. So this is the palette. Very nice, and I am excited to create more looks using this palette as well. And the last one that I have purchased is the garden variety. It was also on sale, and this is a 15 eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging, so nice. And this is the back. It has the name of the shadow as well. It doesn't come with a mirror, but this is the eyeshadow. I like the green, the pinks, the peaches, the purples, the brown. You can create neutral looks, more purpley look, and a pop of green here. So very nice color story. I like it. So let me swatch this one for you guys. Nice one, hey? And let's swatch the green. See the pigmentation? I've noticed there's a quite kick-off powders in the palette, but when you use this, there's no fall off, and with wear test it lasts a long time. And yeah, I'm so excited to also create lots of looks using this palette. This is very nice. I love the color story of this one. You can create a corally kind of look with this shades, or a purple kind of look, a neutral one. So very, very nice. And yeah, I'm gonna do the individual swatches and tutorial using this palette too as well. So let me know with your comments down below what you think of this video, and if you have these palettes with you, please share to me your thoughts and your experience with using these palettes, all of the palettes that I have purchased. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is all for today, and I'll see you on my next video. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye guys.